Am I seriously supposed to put this on my teeth? Oh my. What up everyone, my name is Kate and this is 3 with me. I don't know about you, but my teeth are looking yellow. Not Big Bird level, but more like baby room nursery. I'm sure a baby would enjoy this yellow tint, but I'm not enjoying it. So in today's episode, we are testing out some of the 3 best ways to whiten your teeth at home.
This is the Laughlane at-home whitening kit. It comes with an LED mouthpiece and whitening gel. It's marketed as a sensitive-free teeth whitening kit, and the kit is supposed to whiten your teeth over 75%. Before you use the product, brush your teeth and dry any excess saliva. Next, take the gel and place part of it onto the top of the mouthpiece and part of it onto the bottom of the mouthpiece. Make sure this is as even as possible so it covers all of your teeth really well. All you do then is plug the LED mouthpiece into your phone and it lights up. Technology is incredible. Then you put it into your mouth for 5 minutes and that's it. Do this over 6 days, 5 minutes a day, and then here are the results.
What do we think? I think they got so much whiter. I have really sensitive teeth and I didn't feel any sensitivity during this 6-day process, so I am super happy with these results.
Next, we are going to try Color Wheel. This has been trending on TikTok and Instagram as an instant whitening tool. To begin, take a generous amount of the product and put it on your finger. Brush it on as if you were brushing your teeth. I know, it's kind of gross. Take a clean finger and wipe off any excess product. Let it sit on your teeth for 5 minutes.
I washed out the product and here are my teeth. What do we think? How do we feel? What are the thoughts? I think the bottom of my teeth got a lot whiter than the top of my teeth, so next time I would definitely put more on the top of my teeth. But considering I only left this product on for 5 minutes, I think it did a pretty good job. I definitely will be using before my next fancy dinner, a date maybe, ooh la la, who knows.
Lastly, we are trying a hydrogen peroxide and baking soda method. This is perfect if you don't want to spend a lot of money and you just need some things in your house. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and then 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide and then mix it up. This is going to create a paste-like consistency. Then just brush your teeth.
Here are my teeth post hydrogen peroxide and baking soda paste. This type of paste you need to do over time to see more results, but honestly, even in this first round, I feel like I saw some whiteness. I don't know if it's my imagination, but you guys let me know in the comments below what you think. That's it for this episode of 3 with me. Comment below which technique you would try. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we hope to see you on our next video.